Today, I'm going to make a paper puppet dragon tutorial, like in Nuki. So first, you need glue, tape, pencil, and paper. Okay, first we're going to fold the paper like this. Like this. And then you fold it like here. Like this. And then you just make another one. But this time make it smaller. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here they are. And now you get another fun paper. Oh, and did I forget to mention that you need 4 pieces of paper? Then you do like this. Then you trace it around. Trace the inside. Then you do this. Like that. That looks like a volcano. And now you got it. Then you fold it. Fold it until you reach to the lines. Like this. Oh, and I'm just going to. Oh wait, I'm just going. Is this right? Just cut the 2 of them a little bit. Hold on, I'm just going to change the scissors. So I got the other scissor now. This is. There you go. I know it's a little bit messy because my tape's not really, I don't know. Okay. So it looks like this. And then you make another one. Here it is. I know it's not much. So you get the top, the pickle for the top. You need this tape. You need to do it like this. Hold up. Just watch what I'm doing. I'm going to put many pieces of tapes just to okay, so let's try this again. there you go. There you go. And then you have this, but you have to do the same as the one with the head. Let's test it out. It looks so good. Tape here. And there you go. You've made a paper puppet dragon base. You can decorate your paper puppet dragon anytime. I'm going to decorate mine. Here it is. Wait, the mouth is... Wait. It's just that the mouth is too big. Her name is Hazel. I don't know. It's just her name is Hazel. So, thank you for watching this tutorial, and please like and subscribe. I hope you can show me what your dragon puppet looks like.